Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on the application of Gmail. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search for Gmail. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. In this page of storage we click on clear cache. In this page turn on your airplane mode and you turn off your airplane mode again. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.